Fire. Straight fire. Look, it's looking like Harry Potter. Before you leave, you know, when you're in the Jetsons, homie. Chicken fries. This isn't that hard. I need to stop saying I don't know how to cook.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm not saying that no more.
That's the whole point of this.
Chef Boyardee.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Cooking with My Dumb Friends. I, of course, am Christian, and this is
SpaceHuey.
That's right. Definitely check him out on YouTube. Check him out, please. Subscribe, like, watch his videos. Love it, jam. Today we are making chicken fried steak.
One of my favorites. You know, I love eating, love chicken.
Clearly.
And the first time I had chicken fried steak, I was like, what the fuck is this? This shit is snapping. So, I'm glad I'm about to know how to make it.
Cheers.
My bad, you know I like drinking.
So, the first thing we want to do, we're going to make mashed potatoes. So, we should start the water boiling and clean the potatoes and stuff. Cool.
All right. Use the soap?
No, don't use soap. That's gross.
I know.
Please don't do that. Soapy ass potatoes.
Did you see that shit?
What?
He did it on the chicken though.
No, ew. Do you know how to cut a potato?
Nope. Show me.
All right, I got you.
What if I do it wrong?
Oh, you probably will.
Yep. For your standards, I'll do it wrong. So let's see how to cut this potato real quick.
Okay.
Boop. 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 9 times. I do not remember that shit.
It's because you were booping the whole time.
Alright, hold up. I'm saying 3. That's 3. 9 slices in this beef. Boop. Boop. This is real life. Boop. Just pour them right in there?
Yeah, be careful.
Oh, I know how to pour shit in pots. Oh, I guess not.
Okay. So we're going to make the breading and stuff so we can like dip it in there and coat it. And then we'll fry it in a pan.
All right.
Yeah?
Yep.
Cool. All right, we got breadcrumbs. And some flour. Woo.
A cup and a half and a half a cup.
Yeah.
Boom.
Okay, well, you want to do some pepper?
Too much or no?
Well, I don't know how much you like it.
Garlic, onion,
Mm-hmm.
oregano leaves. Yep.
You want to crack the egg?
No.
Okay.
No. That's it?
Or you can do it like this.
All right, show me. Look at the video.
This is it. I mean,
Put in the eggs, put it in there, put it
put it in the pan. Yeah, so we got to heat up the pan real quick.
This is the real pan.
Yeah.
This pan right here will protect you. I know about this pan. It's the two-handed pan. It's not no one-handed pan. My grandma got that pan.
Yeah. Please.
My grandma's dumb good at cooking. Shout out Grandma Jean. And my other grandma, my nana, she dumb good at cooking too. She got the same pot. What you know?
So we're going to turn the oven on to 400 for our asparagus. Okay, so we're going to put this asparagus in the oven real quick. So we just washed it, trimmed it, and we're going to throw it on the pan.
I don't know what this is. How do you... What? I feel like you could just... this shit is dangerous. It could be dangerous for somebody. I was going to say, I seasoned mine before I put it in
Absolutely. Here, garlic.
See? I didn't put no real garlic, so this is going to be even better than my asparagus.
All right, so we got salt, pepper, garlic, and oil on our asparagus. We're going to throw it in the oven, and we'll cook those for like 15-20 minutes until they look good. We can turn our pan on to medium-high heat with some oil in it and get these steaks going.
Get the steaks going. Open this up?
Yep. Yep, we can open them up. and we'll bread them. We're gonna throw this in the oil. Yep, I would just go for it. Do it, do it. There you go. Perfect.
I don't know how to cook mashed potatoes.
Well, we did it in JP's episode too.
Episode.
That's right. You need to watch JP's episode. It was the most ridiculous. Right there.
I seen that shit.
JP, do you remember?
Yeah.
I miss JP. I haven't seen him in forever. We just finished breading the chicken fried steak.
Yes, I seen it.
And so next we're gonna just finish up these mashed potatoes. That's right. And I got some butter and milk on the stove, and I'm just gonna toss these potatoes in there, and then we're gonna whip them up.
Jetson shit.
What?
Before you leave, you know, when you're in the Jetsons on me.
You wanna cut that up?
It's an onion.
Isn't it?
Inside of an onion.
Sauce can be made from like a stock or anything like that.
Yes.
Oh yeah, you're proving that answer.
Plus 25.
That's why they call it a skillet.
Yes, skillet.
Will you
What?
put a spoon of flour?
This?
Yeah. It doesn't have to be level. No, it doesn't have to be level.
Oh, because I was going to say, you done taught me the trick. See, motherfuckers know how it feels to drink and eat Taco Bell. Mm-hmm. It feel good as fuck just to drink and eat Taco Bell. Now imagine if you was drinking and eating some... Boy, I smack your mama over this bill. Like, it's some different shit. You just feel good. Like, I appreciate it. Like, I'm in the right spot. I'm about to tell all my homeboys, girlfriends, they need to watch this. Or they need to just, like, disappear. So I'm be like, I seen y'all bitches cooking Hot Pockets.
We sauteed our garlic and onions. We threw some flour and butter in there and made a roux. And then we threw our milk in and whisked that together. And now we got our sauce bubbling. I'm going to put some better than bouillon, my favorite thing, of course.
Let me know when that's good.
Mm-hmm.
That's good?
No, I'll let you know.
Yep. Teamwork make the dream work.
That's right. Okay, that's good. Thank you. We each get to make our own plate, so you can make it however you want. We breaded our chicken fried steak. We made these awesome looking mashed potatoes. And then we roasted this asparagus.
Oh, I was going to say asparagus. Asparagus. We got the asparagus popping, though.
It's true, we did. You can eat yours. You're fine. What do you think, Johans? How do we do?
Fantastic.
Yeah, it was good. We were rewarded for our hard work. Thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for being our awesome, loyal fans. And help us out this year. We're going for 1,000. So like it, share it with your friends so they can subscribe. Definitely subscribe to SpaceHuey at SpaceHuey.
SpaceHuey on YouTube, SoundCloud. Basically on everything, I'm SpaceHuey. The only part people don't know how to spell is Huey. H-U-E-Y.
That's
boom.
right.
Y'all got it.
Of course, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. We would love it, and we totally appreciate you guys, and we can't wait to see you next time.
All right, I'll catch you guys later. Have a great day.
People see me in the sky, so they start panicking. I be on my spaceship, surfing on the asteroid.